If you're gonna launch a membership site, there's one thing you can do to really sweeten the pot and make it a no-brainer for your first launch and those first people that are joining as members. And that is to put a mini course within the membership itself. Just include it for free in people's subscriptions. I'm gonna talk in this video about how to set all that up in Kajabi and how to market it when you go live with your membership site. This is day 69 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We're doing 90 days of videos all about your online business and how to build it, start it, and grow it on the best online business platform there is, which is Kajabi. And if you wanna try out Kajabi, be sure to use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get three pretty cool things. You get a 30-day free trial, so you can try out Kajabi for free for 30 days, see if you like it, see if it's for you. You're also gonna get a 45-minute Zoom call with me. We'll talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on that platform. And I'm also gonna give you my $25,000 course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I wanna give you all of those things as a way to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link, so when you use it, I do get a small commission, so I appreciate it so much. So if you appreciate what we do on this channel and you're gonna try out Kajabi anyway, then be sure to use my link below. All right, so let's dive into this. It's a pretty simple concept, but when you're starting your membership site, you wanna do just about anything you can to add value to the site. Anything that will take it and put it just a little bit more valuable to the people who are jumping on it first. Because if you think about it, when you launch your membership site, you don't have a massive backlog of content to point to and say, look at all the value that you're getting. You only have future content to point to that you're going to create. So when someone takes you up on an offer to join your membership site right at launch, you can really sweeten the pot with a mini course. We've talked a lot about mini courses in this series. So if you want to know kind of what a mini course looks like, how to build one, go back and watch through the videos in this series about mini courses. But the only difference is when you build this mini course, you're going to actually put it inside of your membership. The way I did it is when you go into the membership section on Kajabi, you can actually build out an entire course, just make it a module within your membership. You can put your lessons in there, put your PDFs and downloadables, and then that is the course that exists inside the membership that's available to anyone who joins. It's a super easy way to make it a no-brainer for people to join. And then what you wanna do is when you go to market your membership site and you're really trying to get the people on your list and the people who follow you to join, you want to put a value on that mini course. Think about how much you would sell it for if it was on its own. Would you sell it for $97? Would you sell it for $197? What would it be? Whatever that value is, you want to talk about that in your marketing. You want to say, hey, I'm throwing in this really awesome course for free for you when you join. You can get in there, watch the entire thing for the price of even just 1 month of being a member. In my membership site, the Advanced Coaching Community over on Preaching Donkey, I included a mini course called Digital Ministry Made Simple. It was about 5 lessons designed to help ministry leaders expand their reach digitally. We talked about social media, YouTube, things like that. It was pretty easy to put together and it adds a tremendous amount of value, and it's actually a course that we could sell on its own but decided to put it in the membership site to make it that much more valuable. So think about your niche that you're gonna teach on in your membership site, and then think about what would complement this that I could put together in an end-to-end system and package it in such a way that people would say, I want that. It's an easy decision to join this membership because if anything else, I really want to know the information in that mini course. So I don't know what that would be for you, but definitely give it a try before you launch your membership site and then use it in your marketing. If you want to try out Kajabi, which is the best place to put all of this together, use my link below. Let me know in the comments what questions you have so I can answer them in future videos in the series. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, because if you don't, it's gonna make me really, really sad, which I know you don't want to do. All right, so next, check out this playlist right here where we'll talk more about Kajabi. So click right there in that playlist and I'll see you in there and we'll talk more about Kajabi.